English Learning Network.
Giving advice. You should. What's the matter?
I have a terrible headache.
You should lie down. What's the matter?
I can't sleep at night.
You should drink warm milk before bed. What's the matter?
I'm feeling very tired.
You should take a short nap. What's the matter?
I have a sore throat.
You should drink some warm tea with honey. What's the matter?
I feel stressed about exams.
You should study with a plan and take breaks. What's the matter?
I always forget new words.
You should write them in a notebook. What's the matter?
I'm gaining weight.
You should eat more vegetables and exercise. What's the matter?
My phone battery dies quickly.
You should close the apps you don't use. What's the matter?
I feel lonely.
You should spend time with friends or family. What's the matter?
My back hurts.
You should sit up straight. What's the matter?
I get nervous before speaking English.
You should practice with a friend. What's the matter?
I'm always late to school.
You should wake up earlier. What's the matter?
My skin feels very dry.
You should drink more water. What's the matter?
I have a toothache.
You should see a dentist. What's the matter?
I can't focus on my homework.
You should turn off the TV. What's the matter?
My shoes are very dirty.
You should clean them. What's the matter?
I don't understand this lesson.
You should ask your teacher for help. What's the matter?
I often catch a cold.
You should wear warm clothes. What's the matter?
I feel bored.
You should read a good book. What's the matter?
I can't wake up early.
You should go to bed earlier. What's the matter?
I argue with my friend.
You should say sorry. What's the matter?
I eat too much fast food.
You should cook at home. What's the matter?
My room is very messy.
You should clean it. What's the matter?
I forget people's names.
You should write them down. What's the matter?
I'm afraid of speaking in class.
You should try a little every day. What's the matter?
My eyes hurt from the computer.
You should take a break every hour. What's the matter?
I don't have enough money.
You should save a little every week. What's the matter?
My hands are cold.
You should wear gloves. What's the matter?
I feel very hungry.
You should eat something healthy. What's the matter?
I get tired while studying.
You should drink some water and stretch.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.